Referee holds play. Look at our quick strike numbers. Only 8 points para sa Papcola ng first quarter natin.
Something obviously picked it up, no? Towards the second and third quarter. 18 to second, kasi third quarter, a whopping 26 points. Thanks to the scoring pinch of Nelson Asaitono.
Yes, at ito, nakababa na nga ng Papcola ang lamang ng batang Red Bull. 55 to 52. Junti Valenzuela firing a jumper. May kumapit ng kay Roel Buenaventura.
That's about the third wide open jumper that Junti Valenzuela has missed, no? So he might want to just take it in strong to the hole, which is his strong suit naman. Yung advantage siya, magaling siyang slasher.
Meanwhile, Devon Harp, he has 17 points in the ball game. Sa pareho sila ng national ito, no? Pero ito, Junti Valenzuela finally sinking a jumper. Meron ng 8 puntos itong si Junti Valenzuela, pero ika nga yan, sporadic yung dating na mga puntos ni Junti Valenzuela. Fernandez, three-pointer over Roel Buenaventura. Yes, and Henry Fernandez, he has 10 points in the ball game. Pangalawang three-pointer na niya. Just a 2-point lead para sa batang Red Bull. Devon Hart, low posting, bothered by Ali Peak. Patakbo ang Papcola dito ng titimon si John Ordonio. Fernandez. Iikot nila again, Papcola, looking for their 5th straight win in this ball game. And Lastimosa with a fall away. Locsin. Yes, he was able to save it. Fernandez, the three-pointer won't drop, and Devon Hart says, enough is enough. Amin na to. Junti Valenzuela, the pull-up, wala. Unahan sila ng long rebound doon. Makukuha naman ni John Ordonio. Let's see. Fernandez to Ali Peak. Ali Peak against the entire Red Bull Army. Makita mo siya yung blue shirt doon na sumaksak, ha?
They should have set that play up. Sayang, they're not in a time to force things up. As you see, quick strike statistics, 57% field goal shooting para sa Papcola. Napakainit. Pero medyo uminit din itong Red Bull with 47%.
Ito sa rebound, lamang ang Papcola. And meanwhile, ito, talagang ham-fisted. Ito si Junti Valenzuela trying to save that ball. Nelson Asaitono is back in the ball game for Papcola. And also Jim Waltorion. Pinalitan itong si Junti Valenzuela. Just a 2-point lead para sa batang Red Bull, mga kaibigan. Of course, itong take a look at Nelson Asaitono. Meron din Nelson Asaitono, pumasok na naman. At meron ng 19 puntos po. Itong si Nelson Asaitono. Again, itong pumananalo ang Papcola dito, PG. Paalala lang natin sa mga nanonood sa atin. Well, yung mga twice the big advantage ang inahabol ng Papcola dito. Pumasok din sa top 4. At may pag-asa ang Papcola. Jim Waltorion, 3-pointer, yes!
There you go. He puts up Red Bull again by 3 this time. So Red Bull still, you know, they're trying to look for a hero now in the fourth quarter. Anybody can step up for them and notch this win for them. Ito naman Papcola, all-important quarter for them. They know they need this game very badly if they want to have a twice to beat Centric.
At sinasabi nga natin yung fourth quarter man ng Papcola in the person of Jojo Lastimosa. Ito naman ang fourth quarter man ng batang Red Bull, Jim Waltorion. But he has really yet to explode in this quarter. Mick Penisi against Nolly Locsin. Mick Penisi! Ang asin pa rin ng field goal shooting. Tingnan natin, Mick Penisi. Wala pa rin doon. Bagsak si Ali Peak. 1 for 7, 1 for 8. Ang field goal dito si Mick Penisi. And Nolly Locsin foiled. Asaitono jumper. Wala pa rin. Ang bilis ng palitan ng bola dito, TJ.
Grabe, daming contact na pinapabayaan ng mga referee, no?
And a 3-point lead para sa batang Red Bull, 60 to 57. Jim Waltorion is trying to set up ito si Devon Harp against John Ordonio.
Nagka-mismatch, nagkagulo-gulo kung sinong babasay kay Devon Harp.
Third personal foul ni John Ordonio at meron na time na hiningi ang Papcola, mga kaibigan. 7 and a half to play. Mahabang basketball po ito. Huwag po kayo limitaw.